Here we are in the beautiful Merimbula. Been here for the last 4 nights and we're heading off to Jindabyne today. So this is going to be the most southern part of New South Wales that we'll cover. Beautiful towns around us like Eden and Merimbula. So yeah, another part of the beautiful south coast of New South Wales. Property wise, at the moment there's about 50 properties on the market. The cheapest being around 600k, the most expensive couple of mil that's on acreage. So yeah, generally speaking, you're around that 800 to $1 million mark in a township like this. Rolling hills, agriculture and fishing, and I've got an oyster farm in front of me here. They're the common, I suppose, industry that's running around here. Not a lot of high-paying jobs here, so that maybe affects how many people indeed move to the area, but beautiful tourist destination, as a lot of these have been. I find myself repeating a little bit, but yeah, outstanding place to visit. And I think there's a boat just gone past me or something, a couple of fishermen behind me. So yeah, all in all, one on the bucket list, Merimbula. If you've already been here, you'll know what I mean. If you haven't, put it on the list for this year or next year.